I will show you them. Oh, I have such a hard time not talking with my hands. I'm not really sure how to take care of plants. Good morning! It is currently 8:43 in the morning. Just came back from Egypt 2 days ago to be exact. Sometimes when you get back from holiday, personally I find it a little bit difficult to get right back into my routines, get back to my habits, not procrastinate. But that is why today I thought it would be the perfect day to do a little reset, get out of this little slump. Literally been procrastinating this video for the past 2 days. Today we take matter into our own hands and get stuff done. Before we actually get started with anything, let's go make some breakfast so that we have some energy. So yesterday I decided to write a little to-do list for today so I could already be somewhat organized. The first thing I really just want to do, my space around me is a bit cluttered, a bit messy, like I have clean laundry on my bed. So I just want to take care of that stuff, get a clean space so I can get a clean mind, and also just wipe down some surfaces. Just basically just get cleaning. Let's get tidying. Okay, so before going on holiday, I had decided to put my plants outside. You would have seen that if you watched my travel prep video. I put my plants outside and I was just hoping that they would survive, but I was gone for like 2.5 weeks. And if we look at my lemon tree first, let me show you the before of the lemon tree. And then this is what she looks like now. Honestly, she's the one that survived the best out of the 3. I'm telling you that already. Then, I don't really know all the names of my plants, but I think this one is called like Monstera Deliciosa. Like something like that. And this one, when I found it, when I came back, it had actually fallen over. So lots of the leaves were like yellow and stuff. I took some away already, but I'm gonna need to take care of that a little bit more now because this is what it looks like now. We have some brown leaves. This one is honestly like very green still, so this one is definitely gonna survive. And then lastly, I had another plant and I was seriously thinking like someone has stolen my plant. There is a plant stealer in the neighborhood or something, because I couldn't find it and I put them all next to each other. So I was like, what is going on? And basically what happened was before the holidays, it was like so green and it had grown, it had become like low-key quite big. This is what it looks like now. Yeah, not my best work. She's Honestly, it took her in. It's been 2 days now. I was kind of hoping that somehow it would revive, but I don't think that's gonna be happening, so might just throw her out. But I still feel like I should wait a day or two. Also, hi Kayla. I still feel like I should wait a day or two just to make sure, like maybe she can revive herself or something. I have not been a plant mom for very long, so I'm not really sure how to take care of plants and stuff. But what I do know is you're supposed to take away like rotten leaves. Correct me in the comments if I'm wrong, but this leaf right here is completely dead, so I should just take it off, right? Kayla, you're literally in my plant right now. Some more water in here too. I'm throwing this out. I see lots of bugs. I don't like this anymore. In the event of throwing my plant out, I broke my nail, and you might not be able to see it, but I can literally remove my nail. The good news is that I've already booked a nail appointment for today. So anyways, I have moved my plants back inside. So we have my little monstera, whatever it's called, this one there. And then I put my lemon tree back in its place there. Super cute. And then next on our little to-do list for the day, we are gonna journal. And I have not journaled in so long, and I'm actually so excited to do it. I was thinking about it yesterday and I was like so excited to journal because lots of stuff are happening in life and I just need to write about it. So let's do that. Let's go get our nails done.
Skip class in the parking lot.
What?
Smoking with your friends.
Who is gonna
Girl, I know we don't talk a lot, but I'm wondering, can I get your number before you walk away?
Bye.
Because nigga
The
don't
nails are officially done, but I will show you them when I get back home. Oh, I have such a hard time not talking with my hands. Guys, procrastination is real. A reminder of what my nails looked like before, and this is the after. I literally just went for a really natural pink color, giving clean girl aesthetic. I don't know, I felt like I've been doing designs and stuff for so long, so I just wanted something clean, natural, not doing too much this time, and I love it. I'm obsessed. I thought it would be a good idea for this reset to plan my week a little bit, because that's kind of what makes procrastination happen for me, is that I don't really have my days planned really. So if I make to-do lists, if I set tasks for myself, I find it easier to procrastinate less. I do have a few things that I want to plan out. The things I want to do are, I mean, I always have like YouTube editing to do, maybe some filming for YouTube. Same thing goes for TikTok and my YouTube shorts as well. Also, if you don't follow me on TikTok, follow me there. If you haven't subscribed already, you should definitely subscribe. I mean, I'm not forcing you to, but it is free and I would highly recommend you to subscribe. Thanks. I use the app Asana when I plan my weeks out because I feel like that's what works best for me, and I love that you can like categorize all your stuff in different colors. That really works well for me. I love having a set schedule, but I also love having a pretty schedule. It has to be aesthetic. Okay, let's plan filming, editing a video, and I want to schedule a video too. It was like yesterday or something. I got so many ideas for videos I want to make, so I need to figure out when I want to film those, get that stuff prepped. But some other ideas that you can do as a reset, if you already have like, if you don't really have stuff to schedule and stuff, other things you can do to reset are go through your camera roll, declutter that, declutter your emails, declutter your phone in general, your computer desktop, like the home screen, maybe even change the background of your phone or your computer to kind of feel like you're starting off fresh. Obviously tidy your space, but even if you want to declutter, like, you know, you have that one drawer in your room that's just full of random stuff. Declutter that. Also, when you're scheduling and planning your weeks and stuff, make sure to not only plan work stuff or productive stuff. I definitely think you should also plan in specific times to wind down or take a little break, actively do an activity that doesn't involve scrolling on your phone. If you want to take a break, do it for real and don't just scroll on your phone. Do some reading, I don't know, try a new hobby, a new activity, whether that's sports or whether that's something more creative like, I don't know, crocheting. And also, don't wait till Friday to go out. Romanticize your life. Everything doesn't have to be done on the weekend. Even if you work during the week, even on a work night, you should try and do something fun so that weeks don't feel too repetitive and stuff. Break that cycle of waiting for occasions. Just do it. Anyways, I don't think it's super fun for you guys to see me planning my schedule. I think it would be a great time for me to read. Let's talk books for a second. I just finished this book yesterday. Everyone Here is Lying by Shari Lapina. I'm sorry if that's not how you pronounce it. I read this book in 48 hours, less than 48 hours. I could not put this book down. If you're someone that likes crime, murder, mysteries, you need to read it immediately. I didn't even plan on reading this. It was actually a book that my mom brought with her on holiday, but then she finished it and I finished my book, and I had accidentally brought another book with me, but that I had already read. So then I was like, okay, I'll just read her book. So good. But now, what is the next book that we should pick up? Honestly, read most of these books that I have up here. If you want to see my little collection, this is what it is looking like right now. These 3 books are the most recent ones that I've read. Honestly, all very nice books. I don't even know how to show these. I have these 4 books to choose from. 3 of them are in Swedish. I mostly read in English, so these are the Swedish ones, as well as this one. This one my mom just gave me now because she was like, since you like that book, you should definitely read books from Jo Nesbø, which is actually, I think it's a Danish author. This book is in Swedish. I'm pretty sure he probably has lots of English ones. So my mom recommended this one. I feel like I should do that one. But I also have this one. This one's in English. Girl in Pieces by Kathleen Glasgow. Honestly, very cute book. It's pink, which is always cute. Literally all the books I have right now look so thick, and I shouldn't think like that because I literally read that other book in like 2 days, but for some reason it still like scares me a little bit. But I think I'm gonna go with the one that my mom recommended. I'm gonna go have myself a little reading moment. But before I start reading, something very important that needs to be done is to set the mood. So let's do that. To set the mood, what you wanna do is focus on the lighting in the room. So I'm gonna put my lamp on here that's behind my TV. Also gonna put this little lamp on. And let's light some candles as well. Okay, that didn't want to work. I'll be back. Okay, try number 2. Also, how cute are these tiny little matchsticks? Look at that. That's adorable. This second candle for some reason just doesn't want to light, so whatever. That brings us to the end of this video, the end of this day too. I hope you enjoyed. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already. Also, comment down below what your favorite morning drink is to have. Are you a coffee person? Water? Maybe a little juice? What's the faves? I will see you in my next video. Bye!